Hi, everyone. Welcome to episode 6.
Today, we will learn how to ask for directions in English.
This is super useful when you travel or when you are in a new city.
And Emma is always in a new city in her brain.
What does that mean?
It means you get lost easily.
I do not get lost easily.
Oh, really?
Yes,
Then why are you calling me right now?
because I'm lost.
Exactly.
Quick question. When you are lost, what do you do first? Do you use a map or ask someone?
Okay, let's learn directions.
By the end of today, you will be able to ask for directions in English. You will learn words like left, right, straight, corner, and bus stop.
And you will practice speaking like a real traveler.
Ben, help!
Hi, Emma. What happened?
I'm lost.
Again.
Yes, but it's not my fault.
Okay, where are you right now?
I don't know. I'm in front of a big building.
A big building. That's not helpful.
It's very big.
Okay. Do you have a map?
Yes, I have a map on my phone.
Great. What do you want to find?
I want to find the bus stop.
The bus stop. Okay. Is the bus stop near you or far?
I think it's far.
Let's fix this. Look around. What do you see?
I see a coffee shop.
Okay. Where is the coffee shop?
It's across from me.
Good. Is there a street corner?
Yes, I'm at the corner.
Perfect. Now listen carefully. Go straight for 2 minutes.
Go straight. Okay.
Then turn left.
Turn left.
After you turn left, the bus stop is next to a supermarket.
Next to a supermarket. Okay.
And the supermarket is behind a bank.
Behind a bank?
Yes, behind.
Okay, wait. That sounds complicated.
It's not complicated. You can do it.
Okay, I'm going straight now.
Great. Are you in front of the coffee shop now?
Yes, I'm in front of it.
Perfect. Keep going straight.
Okay, I see a traffic light.
Good. Go to the traffic light.
Okay.
Now turn left at the corner.
Turn left at the corner. Got it. Okay, Ben, I turned left.
Great. Now, do you see a supermarket?
Yes, I see it.
The bus stop should be next to it.
Wait. Yes, the bus stop is next to the supermarket.
Yes, you did it.
Wow, I feel smart.
You are smart, but you are also lost a lot.
True.
Is the bus stop across from the supermarket or next to it?
It's next to it.
Great.
Ben, thank you.
No problem.
Now I'm not lost.
Good.
See you later.
Take care, Emma.
You too. Now let's learn the key vocabulary.
BNE. Repeat after us.
Word 1, near.
Meaning not far.
Example, the cafe is near my house.
Your turn. Say it's near.
Word 2, far.
Meaning not near.
Example, the bus stop is far.
Your turn. Say it's far.
Word 3, left.
Meaning this direction.
Example, turn left.
Your turn. Say turn left.
Word 4, right.
Meaning the other direction.
Example, turn right.
Your turn. Say turn right.
Word 5, straight.
Meaning do not turn left or right.
Example, go straight.
Your turn. Say go straight.
Word 6, corner.
Meaning where two streets meet.
Example, turn left at the corner.
Your turn. Say at the corner.
Phrase 7, next to.
meaning very close, on the side.
Example, the bus stop is next to the supermarket.
Your turn. Say next to.
Phrase 8, across from.
Meaning on the other side.
Example, the cafe is across from the bank.
Your turn. Say across from.
Word 9, behind.
Meaning at the back.
Example, the supermarket is behind the bank.
Your turn. Say behind.
Phrase 10, in front of.
Meaning before, at the front.
Example, I'm in front of the building.
Your turn. Say in front of.
Word 11, map.
Meaning shows streets and places.
Example, I use a map on my phone.
Your turn. Say I use a map.
Phrase 12, bus stop.
Meaning place where you wait for the bus.
Example, I'm at the bus stop.
Your turn. Say I'm at the bus stop.
Now let's practice the grammar.
BNE. Today we focus on asking for directions and giving directions.
Grammar 1, how do I get to? Example, how do I get to the bus stop?
Example, how do I get to the cafe?
Grammar 2, giving directions.
Go straight, turn left, turn right.
5 examples. How do I get to the bus stop?
Go straight.
Turn left at the corner.
The bus stop is next to a supermarket.
It's across from the bank.
2 common mistakes. Mistake 1, how I get to the bus stop. Correction, how do I get to the bus stop?
Mistake 2, turn to left. Correction, turn left.
Now, repeat the key sentences.
We will say them 3 times. Slow, medium, natural. Sentence 1, I'm lost. Slow, I'm lost.
Medium, I'm lost.
Natural, I'm lost.
Sentence 2, do you have a map? Slow, do you have a map?
Medium, do you have a map?
Natural, do you have a map?
Sentence 3, go straight. Slow, go straight.
Medium, go straight.
Natural, go straight.
Sentence 4, turn left at the corner. Slow, turn left at the corner.
Medium, turn left at the corner.
Natural, turn left at the corner.
Sentence 5, the bus stop is next to the supermarket. Slow, the bus stop is next to the supermarket.
Medium, the bus stop is next to the supermarket.
Natural, the bus stop is next to the supermarket.
Sentence 6, it's across from the bank. Slow, it's across from the bank.
Medium, it's across from the bank.
Natural, it's across from the bank.
Sentence 7, is it near or far? Slow, is it near or far?
Medium, is it near or far?
Natural, is it near or far?
Sentence 8, I'm in front of the building. Slow, I'm in front of the building.
Medium, I'm in front of the building.
Natural, I'm in front of the building.
Now you speak.
BNE. Answer after the pause. You are lost. What do you say?
Excuse me, I'm lost.
You want the bus stop. What do you ask?
How do I get to the bus stop?
Tell someone to go straight.
Go straight.
Tell someone to turn right.
Turn right.
Tell someone it's near.
It's near.
Tell someone it's far.
It's far.
Say it's next to the supermarket.
It's next to the supermarket.
Say it's across from the bank.
It's across from the bank.
Quick quiz. Answer in your head.
Question 1. What is the opposite of near?
Far.
Question 2. What does go straight mean?
Do not turn left or right.
Question 3. What does across from mean?
On the other side.
Question 4. Where do you wait for a bus?
Bus stop.
Question 5. What do you say when you don't know where you are?
I'm lost.
Your mission today is practice giving directions for 10 seconds.
Record yourself and say, go straight, turn left at the corner, it's next to the supermarket, it's across from the bank.
Say it 3 times. Slow, medium, natural.
Great job today. You finished episode 6.
You can now ask for directions in English.
Episode 7 will be about family and friends, and Ben will say something embarrassing.
Uh-oh.
Ha ha ha. See ya.
Take care.